Hi there, Crafty Peeps. Enis here from Papercrafting with Enis, and I'm on today to draw a winner for this super cute little mini album that I created with a die set from Anna at mycraftingworlddesigns. But before we get into the album or the drawing, let me just go over a few things. So here is the card that came with this die set, and it's called the Polaroid Picture Frame 2025 July. Here is Anna's web information, www.mycraftingworlddesigns.com. And I did want to mention I do have a coupon code ENIS10 for 10% off all orders. So if you decide to purchase this die set or anything else on her website, be sure to use my coupon code. Save yourself 10% off your order. So here is the actual die set. And you do get the base piece, which is this really pretty scalloped edge. You get the Polaroid piece, which has lovely stitching. It has a layering piece for this area here, and it also has stitching. And then it comes with memories, besties, family, and friends, and those words are all in a pretty scripty font with shadow pieces. So that is a very, very fun and versatile set. And yeah, you can use this for lots and lots of different things. You can do shakers with it. You can do it plain. You can make cards with it. I mean, so many fun ideas. So that's the die set. And then also in that release came a flower making kit, and that was the kit that I used to create these beautiful flowers. So this is the kit. Anna is calling it the Ready to Craft Flower Kit July 2025, and it comes with everything you need to get started creating beautiful flowers. And I did do a video where I created, I think, 4 different styles of flowers with the die set that comes in this kit. And let me show you that die set. It is right here. You get this plate with all of these petals on it, as well as a plate with the stems and the leaves. And this is called the flower plate number 3, and it is only available in that kit. So if you're interested, you need to hop on over there and pick that kit up. Okay, so that is that. Let me just put that aside, and now we're going to do a quick flip through of this album. So I did use a Maggie Holmes paper collection. I believe it was Woodland Grove. And then I used a number of trims, laces, pearls. There's some crinkled seam binding that I tied onto the binder rings there. I also created the word memories as a little dangle to add. I have the floral cluster here with the flowers made from the Ready to Craft Flower Kit. And then I used the word memories, which was part of the die set as well. I did create it as a shaker. So you can see all the little bits in there. And each one of the pages, including the cover, is open at the top so you can slide a picture in there. And let me just show you the pages really quickly. They're all the same, pretty much the same layout. You just have different papers and different ephemera and little inserts here. So that's the first page. It says besties. This one says family, and I did also include the words done up as shadow words, and I'm going to include that in there for the winner. And then we have this page, and this is the last 2 pages here, and then the back. So that is the prize for today. I'm going to put that aside, and we're actually going to do the drawing today old school. I just don't feel like messing around with trying to record on my phone or on my laptop, so I'm just going to do it like this. I have a bunch of the names here. So I did have 31 comments on that video, but a number of people did not include my coupon code, which was one of the requirements, ENIS10, in their comment. So you had to be 18 or older, have a US mailing address, subscriber or frequent commenter to my channel, and also use my coupon code ENIS10 in your comment. Okay, so with that aside, I'm going to show you who all did everything. So we have It's a Deal. Okay, we have Kim's Inspired Life. We have Sheikah B Made It. Stace. Denise Abate Smith, 1933. Gwen the Trash Witch. Butterfly Crafts and Crochet, D. Johnson 827, Petey Pie Designs, and Miss Thaye 3138. Okay, so everybody is in the little bowl there. I'm going to shake them up. They're in no order when I just cut them and just folded them up and stuffed them in here. Okay, so I'm going to cover up the bowl and just reach in and pull one of the slips out. And our winner is Sheikah B. Made it. Congratulations, Sheikah. So you have 1 week from the posting of this video, which will probably be tomorrow, which is Sunday, August 3rd, to contact me. So first of all, leave a note in the comments down below letting me know that you did see that you're my winner. And then either contact me by email, which will be in the description box down below, or on Instagram and give me your address because I don't believe I have your address. So congratulations to Sheikah. Very good. Thank you so much. I want to thank everybody who watched that video and actually all my videos. I so much appreciate your support, the comments and everything. I just really, really appreciate all of my viewers and subscribers. And by the way, I did have a special announcement. So I have been asked by Anna at mycraftingworlddesigns if I would become a member of her design team, and of course I said yes. So hallelujah. Thank you very much, Anna, for the invite. And I did want to mention that Anna does not have a release coming out in August, but I think she may have one in September. So be looking for that release to come out and for my reveal when I do get my design team package and my projects. And just a reminder, be sure to use my coupon code if you shop My Crafting World Designs. Save yourself 10%. I want to thank everyone again for participating and for watching this video and your interest in this fun project. Congratulations again, Sheikah, and I'll catch you all on the next crafty video. See you later, Crafty Peeps. Bye.